Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Excel workbook is closed and saved as XLSX so Inventor can read it reliably. Open Inventor and load the part or assembly you intend to drive. Prepare the parameters table first because you will map values directly. Once ready, open the Parameters or iProperties dialog and choose the link or spreadsheet option to create a new connection. This first step establishes the path and prevents file lock conflicts. Do this now so subsequent mapping is seamless. Now you map Excel cells to Inventor parameters. In the link dialog, browse and pick the workbook, then choose either specific cells or named ranges. Named ranges are preferable because they avoid shifting references. For each mapping, assign the Excel cell to a matching Inventor parameter and confirm units and numeric formats so values translate correctly. Once done, set the refresh behavior, on open for automatic updates, manual for controlled edits, or on change if you need immediate propagation during edits. Finish by saving the link settings and performing a test. Change values in Excel, save the workbook, then refresh or reopen Inventor to apply updates. You should inspect geometry, constraints, and clearances to confirm units and limits behaved as expected. If geometry fails or values don't update, make sure the Excel file path is correct, named ranges still exist, and Excel is closed when Inventor reads the file. One key troubleshooting tip: relink using a copy of the workbook to isolate file lock or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.